Many millionaires attribute their success to specific habits and disciplined practices. In this video, I will share with you 5 millionaire habits that you can copy. So watch till the end of the video. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so that you don't miss any of my updates. Alright, let's get started. The first millionaire habit is continuous learning and self-improvement. Millionaires often prioritize continuous learning and personal development. They invest time and resources in acquiring new skills, knowledge, and experiences. For example, Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, is known for his voracious reading habits. He spends 80% of his day in reading books, newspapers, and financial reports to stay informed and make educated investment decisions. Dedicate at least 30 minutes to an hour daily for reading or learning something new. Also, enroll in online courses, attend workshops, participate in seminars related to your field, follow industry leaders, and read their recommended books or articles. Then, second habit, setting clear goals. Millionaires set SMART goals, which means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. They plan their short-term and long-term objectives and create action plans to achieve them. For example, Elon Musk, who is the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, is known for his ambitious goals. From revolutionizing electric cars to colonizing Mars, he sets clear goals and relentlessly pursues them. Write down your goals and break them into smaller and actionable steps. Regularly review your goals and adjust them as needed. Track your progress and celebrate the milestones along the way. Next, third habit is disciplined saving and investing. Millionaires practice disciplined saving and investing. They prioritize saving a significant portion of their income and investing it wisely to generate wealth over time. For example, David Buck, a financial author and motivational speaker, popularizes the latter factor concept, which encourages people to save small amounts of money regularly and invest it wisely to build wealth. Firstly, automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to a saving or investing account. Create a budget that prioritizes saving and investing a fixed percentage of your income. Educate yourself about different investment options and start investing according to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Next, the fourth habit is networking and building relationships. Millionaires understand the importance of networking and building strong relationships. They actively seek out mentors, collaborate with like-minded individuals, and expand their professional and personal network. For example, Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul and philanthropist who is known for building a vast network of influential people. Her ability to connect with others has been a key factor in her success. Attend industry conferences, networking events, and social gatherings to meet new people. Seek out mentors who can provide guidance and support in your personal and professional network. Then build and maintain strong relationships by offering value, staying in touch, and being genuinely interested in others. And fifth habit is maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Millionaires prioritize their health and well-being. They understand that physical and mental health are crucial in maintaining energy, focus, and resilience needed to achieve their goals. For example, Richard Branson, founder of Virgin Group, is known for his adventurous spirit and commitment to healthy lifestyle. He attributes much of his success to staying active and maintaining a balanced life. Firstly, incorporate regular exercise into your daily routine such as yoga, jogging, etc. Eat a balanced diet rich in nutrients. Then practice mindfulness and stress management techniques such as meditation. That's it. Start incorporating these habits into your daily routine and watch as they transform your life. Hope the video is informative. If you got something out of this video, please hit the like button. Also comment down which of these 5 habits you are going to start incorporating into your daily routine. And also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.